Hi guys, this is our Peugeot Expert that we're in right now. It's a 2016 model, so it's an Expert 2 just before the changeover year. You can see we have the check engine warning light on the dashboard there. That's because of a problem with the mass airflow meter. We'll show you the fault we've been getting. Let's click into Peugeot, click into Vans, we'll click into Expert, Manual select, and Engine ECU. Read DTC, which is diagnostic trouble codes, and we've got a flow meter signal high, airflow sensor signal, and intake air temperature signal open circuit or short circuit. So that's obviously a problem relating to the mass airflow meter. We can, if we want, go into OBD2 diagnose, and this will give us the appropriate codes. Sometimes it's good to have both if you've got the description and the codes. So there we go, we've got a P0113 relating to the MAF, P0103, 0102, and that's the same again there. So they're all relating to the same thing, faulty MAF. Now we've already replaced the MAF, but what we need to do is actually erase the trouble codes, just basically tell the ECU that we have actually fix the fault. Now you can do it in this section, or you could go back to the Peugeot section. What I'll do is I'll just, for the purposes of the video, I'll just go through the other section. So we'll go into click into Expert, click into Manual, Engine ECU. Don't need to read the codes again. We'll click on Clear DTC. It might ask us to shut the engine off. No, it hasn't though. Erasing trouble code succeeds. Sometimes it'll ask you to shut the engine off, sometimes it won't. So you see the engine light is still on though. What we should find now, that if we stop the engine and then start it again, the engine light should go off, but it hasn't. Let me just try that again. We'll go into the other section this time. We know that the fault is definitely fixed. Right, so that's probably why it wants ignition on with engine off. So ignition on, engine off, and then we'll click OK. There we go. Diagnostic information has been cleared. So we're OK to that. So now we should be able to just switch that off and switch the engine back on. And there we go. The engine light has disappeared there. So it's basically engine off with ignition on, and that's how you can clear the engine warning light. So that's the iCarsoft i970, which is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. or you can just click the link directly below this video and it will take you to the page on our website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.